Hi everyone, Bethany here with Atlantic Flag and Pole, and I am taking a little bit of a breather in the shade with the wind blowing because of course we chose 92 and humid to be the day that we did our install video. That's right, we've been working hard to get an install video updated for you all. So once that's edited, we're going to be sharing that, and we'll make sure we upload it here on YouTube, and I'm sure we'll share it in other forms as well. But we're so excited. Of course, the flagpole installation is the most work really there is to getting your Phoenix telescoping flagpole set up. Once it's in the ground, all you have to do is sit back and enjoy the beauty of Old Glory blowing in the wind, spreading all that patriotism. So be sure to be watching for that. We're excited. It was a long, hot day, but I think it's going to be worth it in the end. We had a lot of fun. All right, until next time, again, this is Bethany with Atlantic Flag and Pole. Be sure to check out our website, atlanticflagpole.com, for the best specials available to you right now, and I hope that you're having an awesome summer.